Haircuts in general is a form of self-expression to me, to everybody, you know?
Marching to the beat of my own drum means pursuing whatever it is that what you want to do. Just stick to it, come up with a plan.
I just got my license last year, cutting a little bit before that, but it has been a lifelong dream, and I wanted to make it a reality. My preference is I'm going to try to, obviously cater to the clientele that we have, but I want to try to make my own mark on it as well.
The artistry comes in because your own little style you're going to add to it. It's going to have your own personal look.
Most people, when they get a haircut, they just feel like a new person, So if you can have any type of hand or part in that, that's just making somebody feel better about themselves, however you can. And yeah, cutting hair, making people look good and feel good about themselves.